Hi guys, do you know you can actually boil egg without putting the egg on fire? So this is what I'm going to use. This is my hot water. This is my cup I'm going to use to should I say boil the egg or make the egg hard boiled. And this is my egg. I've already washed and cleaned it, so yeah, it is neat. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the egg inside this cup, and now I'm going to pour my hot water inside. Oh, sorry. And now I'm just going to cover it. I'm going to allow it to sit there till the hot water goes cold. Then I'm going to add another hot water again in it. So I'm just going to leave it like this. You can either leave it like this, or you can put it in the pot and then cover the pot so that it will really be hot. Guys, the hot water is super hot, so I pray this works. I've tried it before, it worked, and I'm trying it again. I pray it works. So this is my egg inside the hot water. The water is super hot, and I'm going to allow this sit till it is ready. I can't say how many hours, but I know I allow it to sit till the water is no longer hot. Then I change another hot water so that to be very sure it is hard boiled. There's no gas, that's why I'm trying this experiment. So now I'm going to change the water. I'm not sure if it is fully cooked, so that's why I'm putting another hot water inside. So let's do this. So your water has to be very hot, like super hot. So I'm still going to leave it again to sit till the water is warm or cold. Then I'm going to check if it is really or fully cooked. Okay guys, I want to check now if my egg is ready. I think I've waited enough. So now I'm just going to check. Oops, I pray it is. I pray it's ready. Okay. Okay, I think it's ready. But I don't think this is hard boiled. I think this is ready. So yeah, we boiled the egg without actually putting it on fire. We boiled it with just hot water. Sorry guys, my camera went off. I didn't even know. But yeah, this is the egg. This is the egg. It came out well. This is the egg. Hard boiled with just hot water, no fire. This is the yolk. This is the egg. Sorry, that was my cat. So as you can see, yeah, it came out well. So try it and come back to tell us your feedback. Come back to give us feedback after trying it. Let us know if you actually got it right. So yeah, the first time I tried this, there was no gas. So I just felt like hoping it would work, and it did work. So I tried to try it second time with you guys, and yeah, this is it. So also try it and let us know. Let us know. So yeah, you can eat it. It is safe for eating. It's the same way you boil your egg that you do this, but this time around you don't have to like put it on fire. All you need is hot water and a cup that can hold the hot water for long, and that's all. You just put your egg there and allow it sit for as long as it can, and then change the hot water to another hot water just twice, and that is all. You have your boiled egg without having to waste gas. But it depends on how you get your hot water. I got mine from my dispenser after waiting long enough for it to go very hot. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. Brownie.